Hello students, today we will start a new exercise 4C. In this exercise we will discuss how to convert a number in the scientific notation, or how can we write a number using powers of 10. So what is scientific notation? See, I have written the definition. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation is a way of writing very large or very small numbers in a convenient way. A number is written in scientific notation when a number between 1 and 10 is multiplied by a power of 10. Means in scientific notation we write a number taking between 1 and 10 and with the power of 10, so that the values are more easily understood. For example, see this number: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. No, it is in international system. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion. Means this number is 27 billion. So it can be written also as 2.7. What we will do? You read in this definition that number is written between 1 and 10. So here this 27 billion, there is no decimal. So in this number we will consider decimal here. If in a number there is no decimal, then where we consider decimal? In starting here. So it is 27 billion. What we will do? We will shift this decimal to here. Then number will become 2.7, which is between 1 and 10. So we will write it 2.7 multiplied 10 power 10. Why? Count zeros: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1 this 7. So after decimal, when we are putting decimal here, after decimal there are 10 digits. So it is multiplied 10 power 10. We can read it 2.7 multiplied 10 power 10, means 27 billion can be read as 2.7 multiplied 10 power 10. And in this number, this 2.7, not only 2.7 is known as digital term and 10 power 10 is exponent term. So it is easier to read or it is easier to read? I think 2.7 multiplied 10 power 10 is easier to read. So scientific notation is a method in which a very large number or very small numbers are written in a convenient way. Let us start exercise, then it will be more clear to you. First question: write the following numbers in expanded form using power of 10. This is 38,245. How we will write this number using power of 10? See the place value: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It is 3 10,000. So we will write here 3 10,000, or we can say 30,000. Then this 8,000. Then this 200. Then this 40, and then plus 5. Or in other words, we can say first we will write this digit starting from the left side. We will write this 3, and after 3 how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. We will put 4 zeros. Then plus we will write this 8. After 8 there are 3 digits. So we will add 3 zeros. Then we will write this 2. After 2 there are 2 digits. So we will put 2 zeros. Then this 4. After 4 there is 1 digit. We will put 1 zero. Then this 5 will be written as it is. You have already done this line in 4th or 5th standard also. You learned how can we write a given number in expanded form. So this is 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 5. Now this 30,000 we can write 3 multiplied 10,000. plus this 8000 can be written as 8 multiply 1000, plus 200 can be written as 2 multiply 100, plus 40 can be written as 4 multiply 10, then this plus 5 can be written as 5 multiply 1, or we can say this 3 multiply with the place value. What is the place value of 3? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 3 multiply 10,000 plus 8 multiply 1000 plus 2 multiply 100 plus 4 multiply 10, because place value of 4 is 10, ones, tens. Then this plus 5 multiply 1, because 1 is on the ones place. Now see this 3 into 10 power 4. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write 3 into 10 power 4 plus 8 into 10 power 3 plus 2 into 10 power 2 plus 4 into 10. This 10 can be written as 10 power 1. 4 into 10 power 1 plus 5 into 10 power 0. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form using power of 10. Its B part. It is C, 6,53,752. So we will write this 6 into 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 6 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000, then this 3 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Now write it in the power form, in the exponential form. 6 into 10 power 5, then plus 5 into 10 power 4 plus 3 into 10 power 3 plus 7 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 2 into 10 power 0. I think it is clear. Now C part is, see here, 84,67,382. You will do it self as we have done these two parts. Write the numeral for the numbers given in expanded form. It is 5 into 10 power 5 plus 2 into 10 power 4 plus 1 into 10 power 3 plus 7 into 10 power 2 plus 6 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0. So see, 5 into 10 power 5. 10 power 5 means we will put 5 zeros. That means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. 5 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000. Here power is 4. So we will put 4 zeros. Then 1 into 10 power 3 means 1 into 1000, 3 0. Then plus 7 into 10 power 2 means 100, 7 into 100. Plus 6 into 10 power 1 means we will put 1 0, that is 10. Plus 8 into 10 power 0, 8 into 10 power 0 means 1. As already you have studied in laws of exponent, if power is 0, whatever base doesn't matter, value will be 1. Now multiply it, it will be 5 lakh, then 20,000, then 1000, 7 into 100, 700, 6 into 10, 60, plus 8 1 ja 8. Now we will add all these 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we will add these 6 numbers, we will get 5,21,768. Now in the same way, B part you will do self. Come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, write the following in standard form. Its A part is 24,000. So see, first we write this number with decimal. In this number there is no decimal. In this number there is no decimal. If in a number there is no decimal, where we will consider it? We will consider this decimal in the starting. So this number will be written as 24,000.0. First we write the number with decimal like 24,000.0. Now we will shift this number to the left side. Now shift the decimal to left side, from this side to this side. between first and second digit from left side, which is first digit 2 and which is second digit 4. So we will shift this decimal here between 2 and 4. See, here it is decimal. We will shift this decimal between 2 and 4. So 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. How many places we have shifted it here? 4 places. We have shifted the decimal from right side to the left side. From right side to the left side, 4 places. Now this number will be written as 2.4. How many places we have shifted this decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will become 2.4 into 10 power 4. Now part B. In B part, what is the number? Number is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh 20,000. Again, first we will put decimal in this number. First we write this number with decimal like. See, we will put decimal in the starting like this, 0.0. Now shift the decimal from right side to the left side. From here we will shift this decimal like this, between first and second digit from the left side. From the left side, first digit is 1 and second digit is 2. So we will shift this decimal like this. See, 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place and 5 place. Now this decimal will be here. Now how we will write it? See, here we have shifted the decimal from right side to left side 5 places. Now this number will be written as 1.2 multiplied 10 power 5, because we have shifted this decimal 5 places. So this is 10 power 5. Now it's C part, that is 73,90,000. Do it self as we have done part A and B. Now come to question number 4. Multiply the following. It is 7.25 into 10 power 4. We will write 7.25 into 10 power 4 means 10,000. We will put here 4 zeros. In this case, now we will shift decimal 4 places right side like following. 7.25 into 10,000. Now decimal is here, means here. Now we will shift this decimal to right side. In the previous case, we shifted from right side to left side decimal. But in this case, we will shift this decimal from left to right. How many places? How many zeros? Or how many power? 10 power 4. We will shift this decimal from left to right 4 places. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, and put here decimal after 4 places. Now these 2 places are empty. So we will put here 0 like this, 0, 0.0. So number will become 73500.0, or we can say 73,500. Next part B. 3.15 into 10 power 7. First we will write it like this. Now we will shift the decimal 7 places right side like following. 3.15 into 10 power 7. Here power is 7. So this time we will shift this decimal from here to right side. How many places? 7 places, because power is 7. So 1 place, 2 place, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 place. Put here decimal and 1 0. Now these are the empty places. Now fill the empty places with 0. If we put here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number will become like this. 3 crore 15 lakh, like this. I think all the sums are clear. Now this exercise finished, and this chapter is also finished with this exercise. now we will start next chapter, that is chapter 5. See here, algebraic expression. We will start new chapter, algebraic expression. In this chapter, see here, in this chapter 5 algebraic expression, I have underlined so many lines. You can see clearly. All the main lines, main definitions I have underlined with a pencil. See here also. Here first is algebraic expression, definition of algebra and definition of algebraic expression. Then table, difference between constant and variable. Then see terms of an expression, what are terms of an expression. Then see what is the definition of terms. Then one more last line, a term is a product of its factors. Then here on the next page, definition of constant term, then definition of coefficient, numerical coefficient, literal coefficient, and this note also. Then come like and unlike terms. Now type of algebraic expression, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and common errors also. Definition of quadrinomial, then definition of polynomial. Next page, what is degree of a polynomial? I have underlined these lines, so you will go through these pages, that is page number 86, 87 and 88. Then in the next class we will start exercise 5A. You will go through these terms, you will read these underlines at least 2 or 3 times. Then you will be able to understand these definitions, and this exercise will be more clear if you read these 2 pages 2 or 3 times. So okay students.